Several local controversial politicians have been in the news. And dito, na-interview din natin yung karamihan sa kanila. Are there astrological indicators on what might be in store for them for the rest of the year? Simulan natin dito kay Governor-elect Noel Ebriaga Rosal na ipinanganak noong January 2, 1964. He's the Governor-elect of Albay. What can he say or what can we see sa kanyang astrological aspect?
Yeah, I don't know the situation, if I get it right, some of these people has some cases sa Comelec or I don't know, no. So I don't really want to comment on legal matters. But anyway, I'll just talk about the planetary influences.
Yes, so what can we see? Ano ba yung kanilang siguro maaring posibleng kahinatnan?
Okay, sige.
Anong
So
direksyon?
I think if the birthday is right, madami siyang Capricorn influences. And as I mentioned, Jupiter, the lucky planet, has moved into Cancer, which is the opposite of Capricorn. So that means that luck is not on his side. But then I don't know yung legal matters.
Yes. Kumbaga magiging embattled siya. Medyo mahihirapan siya in that aspect. Ganun ba?
Well, yes, we can say that.
Alright, sige, sundan natin. Si Governor-elect Pamela Baricuatro ng Cebu.
Okay.
Okay, she was born ng November 9, 1966. What can we say about her? Anong sinasabi ng charts tungkol sa kanya?
Okay, so I think may mixed energy sa kanya, but she's luckier next year. She'll be having her Jupiter return next year. So that's the lucky influences. But she has 4 planets in Virgo this September, so she will also be affected by the eclipse. So pag eclipse, as we've seen in March, so may intensity pagka-konektado yung chart mo doon sa eclipse. So intense battle and maybe madami rin mga unexpected
Twists and turns.
twists and turns.
Sabi mo nga may Jupiter return siya. So medyo okay yun. Ano?
Pero
Positive
next
yun.
year pa yan.
Next year pa. So this next 6 months, medyo magiging...
Ito yung sinasabing bloody.
Okay, sige. Tingnan natin, abangan natin yan. So susunod dito ay si Congressman-elect Joey Uy of Manila. He was born March 15, 1962. At earlier ay siya yung nanalo, congressman, kaya lang idineklara ng Comelec na hindi daw ito dapat because of some issues.
Okay.
So ano bang nakikita natin kay Congressman-elect Joey Uy?
Okay, taga Manila ako,
Okay.
kaya I don't know the legal aspects. Okay, but anyway, sa chart niya kasi may dalawang planets, na ito yung signs that are going to be affected by Saturn. Saturn kasi is the planet with rings, so may limitations or may hindrances. So yung sun sign niya is Pisces, and his Venus, his popularity is in Aries. So ito yung iniikutan ng Saturn this year. So it means medyo malakas yung Saturnian influence, which is hindrances.
Hindrances, pero hindi naman necessarily unlucky.
Saturn is also connected with the law.
Okay. So talagang medyo baka mahaba-habang battle ito for Congressman-elect Joey Uy.
I think so. Or baka matalo nga.
Okay, sige. Next one. Itong si Mayor-elect Kevin Anarna of Silang Cavite. He was born October 27, 1984. So ano ba ang masasabi ng charts kay Mayor Anarna, Mayor-elect Anarna?
May complaint din sa pagkapanalo, kina-question din. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. May 4 planets siya in the water signs. So, again, based on the principle, water sign kasi is somewhat luckier this year. So, may influences sa kanya na supportive. So, let's say, if witnesses are going to be called, may mga witnesses na pwede mag-testify for him. I don't know the actual case. Pero may mga supportive influences.
Na posibleng makatulong sa problema niya ngayon. All right, that's something. Now, let's go to Vice Mayor-elect Harold Respicio, born March 30, 1988. He's the Vice Mayor-elect of Reina Mercedes Isabela Province.
March 30. His signs are Aries, meron din siyang Pisces, and meron din siyang Virgo. These are the eclipse signs this year.
Okay. So,
Pagka-eclipse nga, medyo mahirap, no? At kung popularity yan, it's a bit blackened. No?
Okay.
So, yeah,
medyo mahirap.
medyo mahirap. No?
Oo.
Okay. Pero i-clarify lang natin, I don't have the exact date
Yes.
and time of birth.
Yes.
Kaya I don't have the exact chart. Kaya these are just still speculative on my
Oo.
part.
Kumbaga, in short, pwede pang magbago tong mga nakikita mo based on the time of birth and other factors.
Yes.
Alright, of course, at least malinaw yon para sa atin. And hindi necessarily ito na yung mangyayari. Again, this is a guide, no, for everyone to check.
Yeah, they should take this as a guide, no? Kung
Siyempre, dapat ganon.